Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the network and settings so the connection is reliable. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi and that you updated iPhone and Roku firmware. This fixes most protocol mismatches. Once done, enable AirPlay on Roku in settings under Apple AirPlay and HomeKit because AirPlay must be active for discovery. Now open Control Center on your iPhone and tap screen mirroring. You will see the Roku name when discovery succeeds, so select it to initiate the connection. After selecting the Roku from screen mirroring, watch the TV for an AirPlay code. You enter that code on your iPhone to authenticate the session and prevent accidental connections. If video looks cropped, use orientation lock or rotate the iPhone. Roku respects the phone's aspect ratio, so adjusting orientation fixes letterboxing. Also check Control Center's volume and mute. Audio routes through the TV. If you need full screen for apps, start video playback after the connection stabilizes to force proper scaling. To end the session, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. That cleanly releases the link. If mirroring fails, restart the Wi-Fi router, toggle AirPlay off and on in Roku settings, and reconnect. This clears stale IP4/IP6 leases that block discovery. If you still cannot mirror, try the Roku mobile apps casting feature or use an HDMI adapter for a wired connection. These bypass AirPlay discovery issues. One quick tip: power cycle both devices if screen stays frozen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.